backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. You're filling up all the holes you've got to hide it all. If it's in that dead tree, which I think it is. Not sure what day it is, I'm going to have to fill it in later. Lost count. Yeah, you're telling me off. It's raining, it's not my fault, I didn't do it. The rain has stopped work and play. All blue jays are here. Chickadees and a nuthatch. That's what we've got. There's a chickadee. He thought about landing on my hand a while ago, but then he changed his mind. Where's the nuthatch? Although saying nuthatch evidently on TikTok will get you banned. Well, there's a mourning dove there as well, in the tree. I don't know what it is about nuthatches, but I mentioned the word and I got community violation. There he is. See, TikTok, it's an actual thing, not some pervy thing. There's chickadees, my favourite.